Welcome to ExpertEase AI. In this video, I'll walk you through how to get started with our digital employee as a service platform and show you how to navigate your dashboard with ease. If you want to create your own digital employee but aren't sure where to begin, you can use our Speak to Deploy feature. Simply describe the type of digital employee you'd like to create.
Hello.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hi, I want to create a new chat agent, please, called EXA.
Got it. You'd like to create a chatbot named Exa. I need to ask you a few quick questions to set it up. First, what role should this bot have? You can choose from lead generation, customer support, assistance and helping, marketing, intriguing, or smart and funny.
And that's it. Just speak to the Speak to Deploy agent, and your chat agent will be automatically created to match your needs. No manual setup or complex configuration required. Click the information icon to access. Getting started guides, documentation, tutorials for building and scaling your AI workforce. You can also manually create an AI agent by selecting New Chat Agent. From there, you enter a name, define its role within your AI workforce, set the language and time zone, and most importantly, tune your model by adding instructions. This is where you guide how your AI agent should behave, much like training a real employee. Once created, your AI agent will appear in the chat interface, ready to assist. For voice-based digital employees, you can customize how they sound and communicate, including speaking speed, custom greeting messages, language and accent. Choose from a wide range of voice models to best match your brand. You can preview and refine how your AI employee communicates to match your brand. To make changes, go to Edit Agent, where you can interact with your AI employee and access configuration and editing tools. The inbox stores all interactions handled by your AI workforce. Here you can review conversations, access logs, and optimize performance. The Analytics section gives you insights into your platform usage, including total conversations, number of digital employees created, voice interactions and transcription usage, and remaining SMS credits. Under Payments and Plans, you can manage your subscription and explore pricing options. We offer monthly and yearly plans with up to 30% savings annually, add-ons and integrations, and scalable options to grow your AI workforce. If you need help or want to request a feature, go to Support and submit a ticket. Our team is always ready to assist you. In the API key section, you can generate your API token and deploy digital employees into your own platforms. We offer both options, REST API or JavaScript, so that you can integrate your AI workforce into websites and applications. Use the notification bell to stay up to date. In Settings, you can configure language preferences, switch between light and dark mode, and manage your account. In your profile, you can update your login details, manage billing, and maintain your account settings. Seat management is available on professional and custom plans, making it ideal for businesses and teams working collaboratively. And that's it! You're now ready to get started with ExpertEase AI and build your own AI workforce using our digital employee as a service platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And don't forget to follow us for updates and new features.